came here. Nigerian Army, what is this battle that you guys are doing with the Southeast? Hey, when the Bobacano, this is because they're against our people has reached the high heavens. Jesus Christ of Abada Chineke Denso. How will Nigerian Army carry out an operation in Ikorodu and Oyo? Snap them and bloody images. Then they turn around to say the operation happened in Mother Valley, Imo State. Hey, wait, Chineke na parakwa tuleo. Hell. Igbo, I don't want Chamila Bainanya. Why are these people trying so hard to paint Southeast as an unlivable place? Why? Why are they avoiding the real terrorist states, but always trying to make it look as if the Southeast is unsafe? Imo has been battling with Tiger Base. Now, Nigerian Army spokesperson in the person of Lieutenant Colonel Olaleka is pushing the propaganda against my Imo State, Imo Nkemo. Hell, Jehovah lay. The Nigerian Army claimed to have destroyed a bomb factory in Imo State, but posted photos taken in Ikorodu, Lagos State. Why did they block the real coordinates? Igbo and the world, let it be on record that the Nigerian Army keeps spreading fake news and lies against Southeast Nigeria. We know their plans, but it won't work. Go and fight the terrorists in the north and let Alaigbo be. Leave our motherland alone. Stop trying to frame innocent men and women. Tomorrow night they will say that IPOB set up bomb factory, but all are lies. Now this is an eye-opener to those who have been deceived to either attack or dislike IPOB. When the army of a country is part of the blackmail program, you can only but imagine the desperation to destroy IPOB. Imagine a military whose base is in the north are routinely overrun and sacked by terrorists, with numerous casualties, is more focused on projecting badly assembled anti-Igbo propaganda and bigotry. It had deployed same energy to confront the terrorists, humiliating them in the north. Nigeria might maybe express confidence in them. Oga drone nama. Swa! Nyojo. Swa! How? Look at them, Chineke ga